A pleasant day, everyone. So we will be discussing about the introduction to strategic management. So we should always remember that in developing a business strategy, a market-driven plan is critical. The strategy is always focused on the market and the customer, the trends and client needs, rather than the firm's production capacity or existing product. It all dictates the business decisions. So let's go on for lesson 1. Lesson 1 is all about the characteristic of market orientation necessary for strategic management in hospitality and tourism. So the first topic is the customer focus. So when we say customer focus, it deals with the customer that being prioritized by the organization, not only by the frontline service staff. That everything should center on the customer, from product design through manufacturing, marketing, and after-sales care. Also, the customer-centric thinking should pervade every department and staff. Thus, it is very essential to establish a customer relation program and implementing excellent customer relationship, which the management can help with this. Okay, so let's talk first about the becoming market-oriented. A market orientation is a business perspective that places the customer as the center of a company's total operations. However, for a business to achieve market orientation, it involves the use of superior organizational skills in understanding and satisfying customers. So let's proceed to the second one, the distinctive capabilities. Identifying an organization's distinctive capabilities is a crucial part of a market-driven strategy. So why is that? It is simply because that capabilities can be defined as a complex bundles of skills and accumulated knowledge, exercised through organizational processes that enable firms to coordinate activities and make use of their assets. And the third one is the creating value for customers. Customer value is the outcome of a process that begins with a business strategy anchored in a deep understanding of customers' needs. The creation of customer value is an important challenge for the managers, since it is an ongoing competitive challenge in maintaining successful market-driven strategies. Being able to overcome this challenge, the organization is believed to be able to successfully deliver the customer value, hence fulfill their goals. And of course, the last is the superior customer value occurs when the buyer has a very positive use experience compared to his or her expectations, as well as the value offerings of competitors. Through the deep understanding of this concept, ability to implement and manage all the elements, as well as the constant management and updates of the strategy, it is believed that the organization will able to achieve its goals.
Lesson 2. The role of entrepreneurial strategic planning for tourism and hospitality. Strategic planning is the operational process of defining and maintaining a strategic fit of market position between an organization's objectives and resources, as well as changing market opportunities. Management's vision statements by strategic priority. We have efficiency, quality, innovation, customer service, and reputation brand. In efficiency, attract, retain, and engage talent that is productive and do so on in a way that optimizes process, technology, and resources. In quality, attract, retain, and engage talent that strives toward excellence, precision, and continuous improvement. In innovation, attract, retain, and engage talent that is entrepreneurial, creative, and proactive by focusing on a unique and compelling employee value proposition. In customer service, attract, retain, and engage talent that builds strong customer relationships between empowering people, emphasizing teamwork, and focusing on a long-term development. Reputation brand naman is attract, retain, and engage talent willing to be brand ambassadors by building a community where employees feel deep commitment and pride. Sanchez once said in relation to military strategic, know your adversary, know yourself, and your triumph will not be jeopardized. Knowing the terrain and weather will ensure your victory.
Entrepreneurial mission. The main goal of a new business is to generate revenue. Standard criterion for assessing an organization's long-term effectiveness. Culture and environmental force are driving forces. Mission statements are carefully crafted at the business development unit's level. A well-developed sense of mission establishes what an organization is and what is to seek to become. Even nonprofit organizations exist in marketplaces to compete for resources and define themselves by the services they provide. Establishing a clear mission helps a nonprofit organization seek funding. It helps entrepreneurs in the for profit world explain to investors, to customers, and to employees why their thing, whatever it is worth doing.